Hello and welcome to another official and exclusive Harryhausen unboxing. This time it's Trog from Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger.
Join Sinbad, the greatest of all adventurers, in his biggest adventure of all. Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger.
This was the third and final Sinbad adventure for Ray Harryhausen, and the creature of Trog and Prince Cassim the Baboon were to have appeared in an earlier film. The premise of the prince being transformed into a baboon was an idea Ray had for the Golden Voyage of Sinbad. During my commentary recording with Ray for this film, he revealed there was going to be a whole family of troglodytes for Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger. The original introduction for the Neanderthal man known as Trog saw him trapped in a tar pit with a saber-toothed tiger lurking. Later this scenario was changed from the tiger to a pack of wolves. Storyboard also exists for a battle between Trog and the Arsinotheum. The Arsinotheum had previously been cut from 1 million years BC at the planning stages. Interestingly, this detailed image shows Trog at the Petra in Jordan, which was filmed for Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger, but was planned for the Golden Voyage of Sinbad, and in the final film, Trog doesn't make it to Petra. Now, these very rare behind-the-scenes visual effects images shows Trog on the animation table stand along with the baboon character of Prince Cassim. Trog is one of the most sophisticated and sympathetic creatures in the Ray Harryhausen universe and a great hit with fans, so we're delighted to bring you this special unboxing. This only scratches the surface of the Trog character, and if you'd like to find out more and his connection to Star Wars' Peter Mayhew, then get my book Harryhausen The Lost Movies. Right, let's get unboxing. Another wonderful box design here from Christopher Nico at Range Studios. He's once again created something iconic for this piece, an earthy, prehistoric feel for the troglodyte, which is a primitive and rugged design with stone textures perfectly matching the concept of a cave dweller. The primary palette has a rich warm tones using brown, sepia, orange and black, evoking the soil, the cave walls, the fur and leather, the natural elements of the troglodyte's environment. And again using bronze text as well to give that premium feel. Inside it's vac formed in plastic. It's a super vinyl figure here. Always well packed, and there the troglodyte, the club, and beneath some extras this is the footplate and a little companion you would have seen there as well. This is the deluxe version we're looking at. Now this particular piece has been scanned from the original piece we have in the Ray and Diana Harryhausen Foundation collection. This is super vinyl, but there is a fur effect, of course a scaly skin effect for the troglodytes, the prehistoric man, the Neanderthal, and all attention has been taken to all of the creases and the lived-in parts of Trog, including his hair as well, long hair, and of course the mighty horn on the top of his head, and the expression there from Troglodyte, or Trog as he's called in the film. The fans have been asking us for this for many years, and finally Trog is here. The all-important club, where he introduces himself to Sinbad and the team by whacking it hard there on the ground. Now here's the footplate for the deluxe version, Ray Harryhausen's troglodyte soft vinyl statue. This is made of polyresin, and he sits firmly there on the footplate. Fabulous, iconic pose. And of course, because this is the deluxe version, you get Prince Cassim, the baboon, the sidekick to Trog. I often thought it would be wonderful for them to have a spin-off film or an adventure. Who knows, never say never. It's possible. This of course is based on the two models we have in the Foundation collection, a small one and a larger one for close-ups. Trog and the baboon on the footplate, the deluxe version from Star Race Toys, a welcome addition to the Harryhausen Universe collection. With the wonderful box design, now let's have one of our epic on-screen comparisons.
We are friends.
Now I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of Trog. Be sure to see others in this playlist from Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger, including the 50cm Minotaur, the Minotaur Heart, and the Ghouls. Now you can find out more about the Harryhausen Foundation at rayharryhausen.com, where you can find our social media links and also news about exhibitions coming up. Now, if you'd like to win your very own Trog and Prince Kasim figure, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video. You're in with a chance. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.